Are we ready for AI to rule humanity in 2025? Right now, an AI is flagging your social media posts. Another AI is trading stocks faster than any human on Earth. And a third AI might be the only reason you don't get your next job. This is not a movie. This is happening today. As AI weaves itself into our lives, the line between a helpful tool and your new boss is getting blurrier every second. The question isn't if AI will have this power. It's whether we are ready for what happens next. I want you to think about your job. Got it. Good. Because a new report just found that 40% of bosses expect AI to start replacing people. Not in 10 years. Not for our kids. Right now. We are literally handing over giant decisions to computer systems we don't even understand. And the rules to keep them from going wrong are dangerously behind. Asterisk, asterisk, the silent takeover. You might not even notice how huge. This is because it's all happening behind the scenes. AI is not about funny chatbots anymore. It is being plugged into the machines that run our entire society. In our hospitals, it's helping diagnose you. In our banks, it's deciding if you get money. Some cities are even using AI to predict where crimes will happen. On paper, this all sounds faster and better. But every single time this happens, we give away a little more of our power. We are building a new kind of authority in our world, one made of code we can't see and data we don't trust. This is not some Hollywood movie takeover. It's a quiet, systematic one. And it's happening so fast we haven't answered the biggest questions. Who is to blame when the AI gets it wrong? And how do we even know if it's being fair to you? The code of control. Can we secure the machine? Okay. So governments are trying to play catch up. Europe created the world's first ever AI rulebook, which bans the absolute scariest things like a government social score. But in the United States, it's a total mess. There's no single plan. It's just a patchwork of rules. And some people are even saying we should pause new AI laws for 10 years. But here's the crazy part. All of this is way too slow. Europe's big new rules won't even be fully working for another year or two. That's a lifetime in the AI world. We still have the black box problem, which means most of the time, we literally can't see asterisk how asterisk an AI made its decision. That makes it almost impossible to fix mistakes or find hidden biases. And get this, a recent Stanford report found that harmful AI incidents jumped over 56% in just 1 year. Companies know this is risky, but less than 2/3 of them are actually doing anything to stop it. Asterisk, asterisk, the human cost, jobs, bias, and trust. This isn't just about computers. This is about people. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI could destroy as many as 92 million jobs by 2030. 92 million. That isn't just a crazy statistic. It's creating insane anxiety. It's gotten so bad that nearly half of all Gen Z job seekers, 45% of them now feel like AI has made their college degree less valuable. And it's not just jobs we're losing trust. A giant global study in 2025 found that less than half the world's population is willing to trust AI, which is even lower than before. And it makes sense. If you train an AI on data from our already biased world, what do you get? You get a machine that's super efficient at making inequality even worse, leading to discrimination in everything from who gets a job to who gets a loan. Asterisk, asterisk, the governance gap. Who is actually in charge? When you look at the entire planet, it's absolute chaos. There is nitrogen monoxide global rulebook for AI is 0. One country will ban a certain use of AI, while the country right next door is spending millions to fund it. This is insanely dangerous when you think about the biggest threats. AI being used to spread fake videos to rig elections, the creation of killer autonomous weapons, or other massive risks to our security. We are building these incredibly powerful tools with no global agreement on how to use them. And there is nobody in charge. Asterisk, asterisk, look, I know this is moving incredibly fast, and it's a lot to take in. But just staying informed is a massive first step toward demanding accountability. If you want to keep up with the real-world impact of AI, subscribe and join our conversation. So, back to the big question. Are we ready for AI to have this much control in 2025? The answer is a hard nitrogen monoxide. Absolutely not, sure. People are trying to build safeguards and politicians are waking up. But we are fundamentally behind. Our laws, our ethics, and our plans for society are all playing catch up to a technology that's sprinting. The challenge isn't just stopping data leaks or managing job losses. It's about making sure humans are still in the driver's seat. We are in an incredibly important window of time right now. The goal can't just be to innovate. It has to be to innovate responsibly. That means we have to demand transparency, fight for fairness, and make sure there's always a human in the loop. Because if we don't, we risk waking up to a world that's incredibly efficient, but one where we no longer have the final say.